Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Square for online checkout setup step by step clearly. Visit the Square website. Click on the Get Started button located on the home page. Fill in the required information, including your email address and creating a password. Select your business type from the available options. Provide details about your business, such as name, address, and phone number. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Click on the link in the email to activate your Square account. Log into your Square account using your email and password. Navigate to the dashboard after logging in. Locate the Online Checkout option on the left sidebar. Click on Online Checkout to start the setup process. Select the Create a Checkout Link button. Input the details for your checkout link, including item name, price, and description. Choose whether to allow customer tipping if applicable. Specify any additional options like item quantities or customized options. Review all entered information for accuracy. Click the Create Link button to generate your checkout link. Once created, you can copy the link for sharing. Explore settings to adjust payment notifications or customize the checkout experience. Test the link by opening it in a new browser window. Share your checkout link with customers via social media, email, or your website. Keep track of your sales and transactions through the Square dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.